Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, the Minisforum MS-01. This ultimate mini PC power platform is packed with features and performance that are sure to impress. So, let's dive right in and take a closer look. The Minisforum MS-01 breaks the mold when it comes to mini PCs. Unlike its smaller counterparts, this mini PC offers unprecedented flexibility and expansion options, making it perfect for a variety of use cases, from development to media server applications. First off, let's talk about the design. The MS-1 may be large by mini PC standards, but its size allows for ample space to accommodate powerful hardware. With its solid aluminum case and thoughtful ventilation design, this mini PC not only looks sleek but also ensures optimal performance and cooling. Now, let's talk about connectivity and expansion. The MS-01 is loaded with ports, including USB, Thunderbolt, and LAN ports, providing extensive options for connecting peripherals and accessories. Plus, with its PCIe slot, you have the flexibility to add additional storage or even a discrete GPU for enhanced graphics performance. When it comes to performance, the Minisforum MS-01 doesn't disappoint. Powered by the latest Intel 13th Gen hardware and DDR5 memory, this mini PC delivers impressive speed and responsiveness, whether you're multitasking or running demanding applications. In summary, the Minisforum MS-01 is a standout mini PC that offers unmatched flexibility, performance, and expansion options. While it may come with a higher price tag, the quality, construction, and top-tier specifications justify the investment, making it a small form-factor dream solution for anyone in need of a powerful and versatile system. That wraps up our review of the Minisforum MS-01. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts. As always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy computing!